This is Aorus affordable full-size mechanical gaming keyboard that features addressable RGB. It only comes in Cherry MX LED switches. The typing sound test will be at the end of the video with the RGB lighting effects. The keycaps are single-shot ABS plastic painted black with laser etching. Some keycaps with dual regions are not light up properly due to the LED placement, but you still can see them in the dark. Overall, the LED are very dim. Aorus should use a brighter LED to make it more brighter looking. This is a floating style keyboard. The benefit is cleaning will be much easier. The build quality is great despite having bottom and top plastic frame. Keyboard doesn't flex much. Thus, it weighs around 1.2 kg including the 2-meter long cable. Here we also see a 3-way cable management. I wish the cable was detachable. The cable is the soft braided type that can flex well. Keyboard stays in position and won't move around. There are 6 rubber feet, including only 2 single stage stands that helps to increase the keyboard height by 1.5 cm. The keyboard has some onboard controls for media control, LED controls, and window lock. Aorus even provided a card so you can remember the shortcuts. In the Aorus Engine software, you can customize each key function, as well as individual switch lighting. Thank you for watching our review. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to your social media, and see you guys in the next review. Now for the short typing sound test.